Hey guys, what's up? I'm Laura McKenzie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided that it's time for me to clean up my closet, to organize it a little bit better. I already have organizers in there, I already have bins, and I have like a section for jeans and sweats and hoodies, but over time it's come jumbled up and it's time for me to re-separate them. And I thought I'd bring you guys along with me because I know I like watching cleaning montages and organizing montages, and so I thought it would be a fun video to film. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at lauren.mac and subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's get right on into the video. So, we've got the jeans done, we've got the sweatpants done. Now I'm gonna like refold these.
Three, two, one.
Think she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Smile for it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Comment down below if you guys would like to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.